Good evening, viewers. I am Grace in the studio. We begin with breaking news today. A robbery happened on a street early today. A thief took a bag from a victim and tried to escape on his motorcycle. A brave university student saw the crime. People around the area helped catch the thief. After that, the police came and took the suspect for investigation. The victim is safe but still shocked. The police remind people to stay alert and be careful in public places. That is the last news for now. Thank you for watching. I am Grace. Good night.